Okay, you guys, so let's make a quick DIY birthday basket. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use this basket. How cute is this basket? And I found it in the bath section, and it's just a wire basket from the Dollar Tree. I thought that was really cute when I saw it, so I did grab a couple of them. I did not make a video on that, sorry. So we're gonna make this, since I found it in the bath section, I decided why not, let's go ahead and make it a bath theme. So the first thing I'm adding are these salts. Now this is for one of my sisters. Her birthday's coming up and she needs some self-care. She hardly takes care of herself. She's always after her grown children, and I need her to take some time out for herself, enjoy a little spa theme. I thought this would be great for her. And these are with retinol, vitamin A, C, and E. So this is the jasmine and green tea bath salts. And this was at Dollar Tree. I was shocked. I really like that. So let's go ahead and use that. The next thing that I saw that I thought would be great to go with this whole thing is the pedicure set. Now I still love these sets. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces with them, and this is from Be Pure. So I thought right away, yes, this is gonna be so great. Let me go ahead and move the camera just a little bit. I want you guys to be able to see the whole basket. If sometimes you can't see it, you guys could just be like, hey, Susie. I wasn't able to even, see the whole thing. I'm going to go ahead and close the door so I can just face it up. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just face this up. Okay. So the next thing we are going to add are, this is the jasmine and green tea body wash with vitamin A, C, and E, and retinol. So they had the whole thing together, which I was like, I'm already loving the whole set together. I thought that was really cool. And then they also had the jasmine green tea exfoliating body scrub, purifying serum, retinol, vitamin A, C, and E. It looks nice. So I thought right away, I'm like, man, this is gonna be great. I also found the sponge. And look at this. It was like the whole thing was calling me, like, this is your theme. This is this is what it's gonna be. I thought that was so cool that it was just like ready for me and calling me. So I went through the socks aisle and look what I found. Her favorite candy. These are the Andes and these are the mint. And I thought, how cute is this if I just add this? Like, would that be like funny? I hope she finds that funny because that is her favorite candy. And of course, I couldn't leave the candy behind. This is one of her favorite candies. So we're gonna go ahead and add this, I think right there. I actually took this off because I wasn't sure where I wanted it to fit. But what do you guys think? Now, I also made a, was it green? Well, I made a money holder. I made it in the green, but now I can't even find it because I know it would have been great with this basket. So let me look for it. So yeah, I have no idea where the green went. So I'm going to pick another color. You know what? I think I have a yellow one that might match like this setting. Let me check that out. Well, I wasn't able to find it, but I did find other colors. And thanks to the bestie, Chrissy, who sent me this paper. It was amazing. So I think I am going to stick to this one for now, because I think that'll go great with this. So let's do that one. And let's see how that goes. I actually made this money holder. So let me tell you, I made the money holder. It is super cute. It is a full-size paper. I can sell you the template. If you want it, go ahead and email me and I will send it to you. And then we're going to put the money in here. We're going to close it up. And look how pretty that is going to look. And I'm going to add it right there. And there you go. Now let's go ahead and close it up. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up really fast. And I'm using the Dollar Tree bags. I'm also going to use the ribbon that's on my Amazon storefront. because I think this rainbow ribbon would work very good. Oh my god, you guys, I can't even find it. And there you go. Enjoy. Bye, you guys.